Hello everyone, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how you can sign up to Bremer Bank online. So if you wanna sign up to Bremer Bank but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to sign up to Bremer Bank. So to get started, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in bremerbank.signup and hit the enter. And from the appeared results, click on the first link, and this link is all about Bremer Bank. You can scroll and know all about the Bremer Bank, but here click on the enroll in online banking. Now click on I have read and agreed the terms of the online banking agreement and disclosure and hit the continue. Now here you are into online banking enrollment. They are collecting your information in order to sign up, so fill up all the details of yourself that has been asked on the form. Write down your name, last name and everything. Once you are done with it, hit the continue option and you will be successfully able to sign up to Bremer Bank. So this is how easily you can sign up to Bremer Bank online. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.